Alright fellas, let's get straight to the point. If you've ever felt a dip in confidence or just want to make sure you're always ready when the moment strikes, you're not alone. Tons of guys are looking for ways to boost their performance and feel more in control in the bedroom. If you're looking for a quick boost in the bedroom, you've probably heard about Erection gels. And today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use Eroxon Gel for that instant confidence. Whether you're new to this, or just want to make sure you're doing it right, I've got you covered. First up, what even is Eroxon Gel? It's not just another product on the shelf. It's a specially formulated topical gel designed for men who want results fast. It's a topical formula designed to help you get an erection quickly, right when you need it. No complicated routines, no awkward waiting periods, just a simple solution you can use whenever the mood strikes. It works by increasing blood flow to, you guessed it, the right spot. The active ingredients are absorbed through the skin, helping to stimulate circulation exactly where it matters most. No pills, no waiting overnight, just fast action when you want it most. That means you don't have to plan hours ahead or worry about side effects from oral medications. Let's talk about how to use it. The process is super straightforward, but a few key steps make all the difference for getting the best results. Step 1. Wash your hands and, the area where you plan to apply the gel. Clean and dry is the way to go. Trust me, hygiene matters here. This helps prevent irritation and ensures the gel absorbs properly. Step 2. Squeeze out a small amount of Eroxon Gel, like a dime-sized drop. You really don't need a ton. Using too much won't speed things up, and a little goes a long way. Now, gently massage it onto the shaft of your penis. Avoid the tip and any sensitive or broken skin. Take your time and make sure it's evenly spread for maximum effect. Don't rush this part. Take a moment to let the gel absorb. You'll usually start to feel a warming or tingling sensation. That's totally normal and means it's working. This is your cue that the active ingredients are kicking in. Step 3. Wait a few minutes. This is the perfect time to relax, focus on your partner, or set the mood. Let the anticipation build while the gel does its thing. Most guys feel the effects in about 5 minutes or less. If you're planning a special night, you can apply it just before things get started. It's discreet, so you don't have to interrupt the flow of the evening. And here's a pro tip: don't use more than the recommended amount. More gel does not mean more results. In fact, overdoing it can cause irritation or discomfort, so stick to the guidelines. Now let's bust a couple myths. Some people think these gels are a magic fix for every problem, but that's just not true. Eroxon Gel is not a miracle cure for erectile dysfunction. If you're having ongoing issues, talk to your doctor. It's important to address any underlying health concerns with a professional. And it's not a substitute for foreplay or connection. It's just a boost, not the whole show. Real intimacy comes from communication and connection, so use the gel as a tool, not a replacement. If you're ever unsure about using a new product, do a little research or check out reviews from other guys who've tried it. Everyone's experience is a bit different, so it helps to know what to expect. Alright, quick recap. Wash up, apply a small amount, massage it in, wait a few minutes, and you're good to go. Simple, fast, discreet. You can easily fit this into your routine without any hassle. But remember, always read the label, and if anything feels off, stop and check with a healthcare pro. Safety first, always. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-up advice. No fluff, just real talk. We're here to help you feel your best every step of the way. Thanks for watching, and here's to feeling your best, where it counts. Remember, confidence starts with taking care of yourself. So keep learning, stay curious, and never be afraid to ask questions. You've got this.